Richard Bass, the first person to reach all 7 summits, also did what? Richard Bass, the first person to reach all 7 summits, also did what? Now I'll give you a list of the options. The first one is climb them with the same partner. The second option is climb the first 6 in 1 year. The third option is first to summit Mount Vinson, and the last option is climb them again with his sons. So which one is the correct answer for the question? I'll give you the correct one, and the correct answer for the question is climb the first 6 in 1 year. So that's the answer for the question. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. It's very simple, just click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn the notification on. And if you like this video, you can click this like button, and if you want to share this video with your friend, you can just go ahead and click the share button, and you can share it to Facebook, to Twitter, LinkedIn, VKontakte, and many other social media. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching video, and see you again in another lovely sweet video. See you again. Don't forget like and subscribe. Bye bye.